In this video, I'm going to show you 8 AI models I use on daily basis for my work or personal needs. I prepare a little test for each of these models. We will compare them, we will add marks, we will find a winner and find the best free AI chatbot to use. I select the next 8 models. It's ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, DeepSeek, Qwen, Kimi.com K2 model, Gemini, and Microsoft Copilot. In our video, I will show you and explain what is chatbots, show rules of our competition, display how each chatbot works and display its main features. Then we will test speed of responses, quality of answers for each chatbot, and make some summary and find what is best. So AI chatbots simulate human conversations using natural processing language and machine learning. They analyze an input, text input, what user gives it, understand it, use LLM model to understand it, and generate property responses. These responses can be based on some rules or generated dynamically by these large language models. And large language model is type of artificial intelligence program designed to understand, generate, and manipulate human language. These models are trained or massive inputs of data, of text, of code, and they allows mm, this learning allows them to perform a wide range of tasks in coding, in uh, development of requirements, in text preparation, in almost everything depends on the model. For project managers, we can use AI chatbots for task description, bug description, building metrics for product, learning new stuff about project management. Products we are going to talk today use their own LLM models to provide your detailed answers. Leave a comment in this video if you want to know more about this part, what is LLM deeper, how to use it, what models are, and I'll try to explain it to you a little bit deeper if it's necessary. But I think for managers, these chatbots are pretty enough to still reduce some their manual time or automate some project management managers tasks. So about our competition, we will use 7 metrics to add some points for each participant of our competition. And first is about research feature. This AI model has ability to go to the internet, research some topic, and prepare detailed document as output with some investigation results, like make research for you of some new topic or area. Then workspace organization. Does the chat has ability to organize your chats into folders. Voice chat, can you talk with it? And plugin integration support. Does this model has ability to use some predefined workflows or some feature like ChatGPT has with ability to use GPTs. Then free tier capabilities. In this video, we talk only about free version of these models, and we need to check how useful is a free version compared to the paid one for some of these models, because couple of them are totally free. We will give a prompt to generate a user story for your based on your request. We will check the speed of each model, and at the end we will analyze quality of that user stories. Then we will sum up the numbers and we'll find a winner. So let's go. ChatGPT. It's free version of chat. It has ability. It use only one free model ChatGPT. You can just have over here a chat. You can dictate some information or use voice mode to talk with him. Hello, how are you? I am making video about ChatGPT features. What can you tell me about your most popular free features of your free version?
That sounds like a fun project. So, some of the most popular features of the free version include answering questions on a wide range of topics, having casual conversations, helping with brainstorming, giving explanations or summaries, and even providing some code snippets for basic programming help. If you want more details on any specific feature, just let me know.
No, thank you. Bye bye. So you see, you can pretty quickly and easily talk with ChatGPT. You can use it for fast questions, even from your phone, and it's in free version. It works pretty cool for ChatGPT. What I want to show you is the feature of free version of GPT is that GPTs ChatGPT develop a custom ability for each GPT plus user to generate their own GPTs, which means it's a tool where you can configure the system prompts for this specific chat, and it will give you the answers specified on this request. And for my work, I use this GPT grammar. It works pretty slow because it's free version, this green one. So what does this grammar chat do? You just can send him any sentence, email, text, and it will fix grammar mistakes. For example, hello, my name is Alex and I need your help. Look, and it's going, hello, my name is Alex and I need your help. So it fixed grammar mistakes, it worked pretty fast, it's free. I use it very often, this grammar chat. It also has ability to run a deep research. You have 5 deep research left, and let's try run it, and at the end we will check these deep research results for each of them, because remember, to run this deep research feature you need to have specific prompt. I already prepared one of them. This is the prompt to oh wait, it's wrong one, sorry. This one, prompt for deep research. So I am asking the model to investigate internet and help me to prepare a report about estimation tools used in software development. Let's try to ask him about it. He should ask me some questions I need answer on, and then he will start. Okay, let's go. Let's answer on his question. Are you focused on how to do it? You can just copy the questions. Let me show you. Copy question, paste it here, and just type an answer over here. Are you focused on particular type of software development, web, mobile, web and mobile development? Do you want the report include commercial tools only, open source tools, or both? Both. Should the research prioritize any specific programming language, ecosystem, or development framework? No. Yes. I want to use agile frameworks. Okay. How to say? We will focus this deep research only for use agile. Use agile frameworks during the investigation, and I think it will help us to get better results. What level of technical depth are you looking for? High level overview, depth technical analysis. I want depth technical analysis. Let's go. So you, for the deep research feature, you give your request. I add some details over here. Often the model asks you about some specific question it needs answer on, and after it proceed. So we start this research. It can take, I don't know how it can take in the free version. I used paid version of ChatGPT Plus, and it takes from 2 to 10 minutes to generate this type of report in paid version. We will check how much time it takes here. The Claude doesn't have ability to use voice chat. It also has a single model. You cannot select any of other models. They are paid. You see, they ask you upgrade to Claude Pro to use best and latest models. You can, as in ChatGPT has GPTs, in Claude there are some artifacts. So it's like predefined templates or workflows. You can use it. For example, let's try also language learning tutor. How to say hello in Spanish. And I'm sorry, I'm having trouble responding right now. Let's continue practicing. So you see, I think it's because free version, it doesn't work, and it's not good, but you can try and play around with it. Maybe some of them will work and help you to resolve your specific needs. But when you go to the chats, Claude model work awesome with preparing of some description, presentation, verbiage for slides. Also, it good in code, and you can use free version for that. Let's try to write research topic. Let's research topic. Okay. And I have some prompts I prepare. Ask him to write presentation scripts for me. Okay, let's do like that. I am manager. I want to provide 15-minute presentation for developers, explain the importance of project estimation. I want to show them few techniques related to tax estimation. I want you to organize, brainstorm how to set estimates. Who's your audience? Software development team, developers, and QA. So let's try. It used code and prepare already slides in HTML. You can copy or publish. You can try it. I didn't how to say, I didn't expect this type of results, but it's pretty cool. So let's check. Reality check. Without good estimates, you have missed deadlines, scope creep, poor resource planning, unrealistic expectation. It's everything true. With good estimates, you have timelines, happy customers, better planning, informed decision, less stress, team credibility, and key estimation elements, time, scope, and resources. It's pretty cool and show it true. And I will use this presentation to talk with my guys because it's cool. Like, and on the second slide, he add 4 options how to estimate: 3-point estimation, analogous estimation, bottom up, and wide band Delphi planning poker estimation. So pretty cool. And even correct formula for 3-point estimation. I use it in my work. And bug estimation brainstorming, he add a question for that. Pretty cool results. So you can, if you have some presentation, you have some negotiation, yes, you can use Claude to prepare for it. I just gave him a basic prompt. You can add more details, more specific details for your needs, and you'll get good results, and it's for free. But it will not work always like that. The Claude free version has some limits. Yes, and be careful when you testing it, because in free version you will not be able to ask a lot of requests to Claude. Let's go next. Grok. Grok, I like this free version of Grok because of 2 or 3 features. First is deep research feature. Second one is deeper search feature. Yes, it's like better deep research from Grok. And the last one is ability to create projects. When we talk about all this free version of AI chatbots, only Grok has a predefined possibility to configure projects. And what is project? It's the same chat, but you can by default configure some instructions. In this case, as instructions, I ask him to learn how he needs to prepare bug description for me. So this is a huge prompt with details what should be described in the bug description. And let's try to give him some idea about bug. Do I have it? No. So let's figure out the bug. I have a problem in my Windows 10 app. Yeah, the oh, I'm thinking too long. The turn off button doesn't work on my PC after 3 p.m. Let's try. You see, it's not searching how to resolve a bug, it's preparing detailed description for this bug based on my instruction. Like summary, shut down button in start menu fails to work. It describe problem description, describe environment based on information I provide to him, and describe some steps to reproduce. You see, I gave him only 2 sentences of input. As a result, I receive a lot of information, even some suggested next step for user. Be careful with that. You can use it, but you need to check the results before even transferring this task to developers, because it can hallucinate if LLM models doesn't have enough context. It can think by their own. So be careful what are you typing in your request. And I don't recommend give AI chat results directly to the team or to your stakeholders without reviewing it. You must review, because it's AI, it can make mistakes. I forgot about one cool feature in Grok. Is in free version, you have 2 free concurrent tasks. For example, you can configure custom newsletter about politics technology. You can configure it daily, and it will send daily emails at 8:30. It will generate a research by this specific prompt and will send you automatic email. It's pretty cool. I just figure out about this feature during this video preparation, and I'm going to use it for some newsletter or topics I am interested in. So it's pretty cool, and it's also for free. And to check it out, that my deep research feature, let's give him the same prompt we gave to ChatGPT. Where that for deep research? Okay, and let's run deeper search to see your results after, and press enter. Yes, so as you see, ChatGPT was asking questions, Grok start to think and to prepare results immediately. Let's go back to check. Oh, you see, we have results from ChatGPT, and as you see, it's huge document. Yes, with estimation tool, techniques, it describes methods, it gives you a URL for the websites where he receives this information. And for the learning something new, or when you need to see how to resolve some problem from different aspects, you can use this research feature. And if you have a couple of these models, you can ask the same question to different AI models, receive different results, and then work with that information. So use this deep research feature for learning something new and for figuring out your problems. Let's go to the third one, DeepSeek. DeepSeek is model from China. The main feature of DeepSeek is this button Deep Think R1, how to connect Jira to end-to-end with API key. Yes, and how to configure API, create API key in Jira. Yes, and when I enable this thinking model, it will think. It will think a lot how to resolve it. I forgot to press the search button. With help of search, I think it would find the documentation of Atlassian and prepare URL for that. So I use DeepSeek for checking some documentation, for confirming some hypotheses, and to have different side of view on the problem I need to resolve with help of AI chats. And as you see how it works, first it's thinking, it's not an output, it's just a logic how model think, and you can check it. And after that, it gives you detailed results. Benefit main of this model, it's free, it's pretty fast, and it's totally free. Then the Qwen, it's also model from China. In Qwen, you can run deep research, you can generate images, and you even can generate videos. And it create pretty cool videos. I don't need any video generation in project management, but for fun, you can use it. Also, I use this, as I told you about DeepSeek, when I need to check some API documentation, I need to resolve some technical task. I use these models, DeepSeek, Qwen, and right now I add to this list that the next one, Kimi model. I use them to resolve my problems related to some stuff I don't know how to resolve. Okay. It also has a thinking feature and with some limits, ability to search in the internet. But let's try to generate a video. Will it work or no? Generate a 3-second video of project manager who is focused on the task. Camera should display only his top of body. He is about 30 years old with white hair. Okay, and let's try to generate video. Okay, let's go. We will check results, and it can take a time, but in this model you can play with it. Kimi K2, it's pretty new model. It was released about July 11, 2025. The main feature of this model is huge context. The context means that how much information you can give to the model in the same prompt or chat, and it's pretty smart. Most of guys right now use this model for coding, and it's pretty good in the AI model, LLM models tests. I started to use it for getting some results in parallel for the task on that investigation, as I explained, where I need to check some documentation or when I need to code something. If you need to build SQL queries, you can just use this Kimi K2 for that. You give the database structure, a relation between tables, and it will build a query for you pretty accurate. It has a researcher feature, and let's try to run research. Okay. We'll check results later. As you see, it started going to the internet and making research. If you want, I will save these research results and add somewhere in comment in description to this video, so you will be able to check and compare it by yourself. Or you can do it by yourself and use it and leave in comments your feedback about what the model from this list is best fit for you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It helps me understand, and give likes. It helps me understand that I do a good content for you. So move on. Google Gemini. Honestly, I don't use it often. It has feature deep research, image generation, canvas. It has something like GPTs and artifacts in Claude over here on the Explore Gems. You can generate chess cam, brainstormer, career guide, or coding path. Yes, so it's already predefined chats with custom system prompts specific for the task you need. Okay, I don't want to test it. Let's test the same deep research in Google Gemini and we will see results. Okay. If you have your own feedback about free version of Google Gemini, just let me know. And the last one from the list is Microsoft Copilot. I use it often, but it's a little bit buggy on my Windows PC. I just use Alt and space to see the Windows application for Microsoft Copilot. If we talk about features, it has deep research and that think deeper features. You can talk to Copilot too. But I use it for very simple tasks. For example, what time is in USA, New York, when UTC is 14 p.m. So I use it for this simple task when I need to transfer a time. Also, it works cool to build a cron expression or some simply and quick tasks. That's how I use it. For deep research, I don't, and you can try, but I use it only for this specific task. You can talk to Copilot.
Hey there, Oleg. What's on your mind today?
Hello, can you tell me about your free features in Microsoft Copilot?
Sure. Microsoft Copilot offers features like chat and collaboration. I provide insights and suggestions in real time to boost productivity. 2. Code assistance. I help with coding tasks, offering suggestions, debugging, and explaining code snippets. 3. Writing help. I assist with drafting emails, creating documents, and even brainstorming ideas.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. So you see, it can do a lot. And I like it because I can use it Windows, and with help of two buttons, I can quickly ask what I need. It built by itself a plan and detailed steps how it's gonna to make the research. And let's start the research. Okay, let's check Kimi K2. It's complete research. It's did is in own way. You see, it just make a list of all most popular estimation tools, some pros con metrics, real world use case. You see all of them have different results and format of that deep research, and it's pretty cool because when you need to learn something new, you can spend 5 minutes on your time, then just wait, and you can receive a lot of high quality information because in this case you can check the sources for each of answer, and you can use it and learn. And I think this is the best uh, feature of free AI chats. So about our competition, I evaluate 5 of the attributes we were measuring. First, research feature. As I showed you, almost all of the models we were talking about has it, except Claude. Then, workspace organization, ability to organize projects in free version, only Grok. AI chat has. Voice chat, it's in ChatGPT, Qwen, Gemini, and Copilot. Plugin integration support, it's mean about that custom GPTs and artifacts and gems in Gemini. So only this GPT, Claude, and Google Gemini have such type of feature. It works in ChatGPT. You can try in Gemini, in Claude. As you see, it didn't work properly. And free tier capabilities. I marked over here for these DeepSeek, Qwen, and Kimi models a point because they are totally free and you can use it for free. And also I add Grok to this list because even in free version it has ability to use concurrent automations, it has projects, and it has deep and deeper research. And for the rest models, I didn't put the numbers because I know for sure that ChatGPT plus version, it's much more cooler than free version. It's fast, it has GPT 4.5 model, it has more deep research request, about 17 or 18 per month. So GPT paid version for sure is cooler. The same for Claude. In Claude basic subscription for about $20, you can even code use that Claude code, their extension, and build your own application with help of AI. And as you see in the free version, that even artifact their feature didn't work correctly. For Gemini and Copilot, honestly, I didn't try paid version, but you can leave in comments. Do you use paid Gemini, and is it better or worse in compared to other AI chat models? And let's do our last two tests. It's response speed. We will check how much time the model takes to prepare an answer on our prompt about user story preparation, and user story quality. We will try to gather, analyze, and review user story and add some points over there from 1 to 5. To start our competition with speed, we will use this prompt for user story preparation. I prepared a short instruction, what I need to receive as output, and as input we gives him a task, implement dark mode theme option in the user settings so user can toggle between light and dark UI. Pretty simple task for an application. And we will try to measure it by speed and then to save the time in seconds into our document, so later we will have some ranking or points for them. So let's go. Let's try it in ChatGPT. Okay, we can 1 second delay, but it will be common. So look, it's pretty fast even for free version. So it was about 6 seconds, and you see a story for acceptance criteria. Also important, GPT gives us question for clarification. So let's save 3 seconds here. Okay, it was 6. Go back. So Claude. new chat. Let's go. 1 sec. Okay, go. So it's thinking. Okay, couple acceptance criteria, technical consideration. It gives an estimate for this task, about 13 seconds. You see, same prompt, same request, but different answers. 13. Okay. Then let's go to Grok. We see our results of investigation. It's pretty cool. I will save it later and you will be able to check it and compare by yourself. So let's do new chat, timer, and let's go. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. Let's stop it. I did a deep research, so my bad. Let's do it again. Disable it. Okay, let's go. So it thinking, story, acceptance criteria, a lot of them, some notes, stop. It was 9 seconds, I suppose, but it's still pretty fast. Okay, then go to the next one, DeepSeek. I suppose this one will be slow and will be the slowest. It's my theory, but let's check it out. So go. Oh, yes. Okay. Yes, you see it's slow. It's free, but it's slow. Title as a user. You see this weird format of that acceptance criteria. I think it has somewhere, hop, it was about 20 seconds. You see results are slightly different from previous models. It was 20 seconds. And then, oh, why it's not bold? Let's make it bold to make it pretty for you. Okay. Yeah. Then Qwen. Oh, let's check our video. You see? It's pretty cool. It's totally free. So if you need some attachment in your presentation, you can use it and you see results. It took some time. We start about 11:40, but yes, it's cool. And let's go to test our speed and go. Oh, sorry, 2 seconds. Okay, we will add 2 seconds for the results. Qwen is pretty fast. Okay, hop. 11 plus 2 is, it's almost 12, and 2, it's 14 seconds. Okay, Kimi 3-1 left. Yes, okay, new chat. Let's go. This model, it's also slow, but results might be interesting. Let's check. And this one was the longest. Okay. Oh, yes, it's 37 seconds and word format, but it has definition of done. Previous one didn't have it. 37. Okay, and 2 left. Gemini. Let's go. It should be pretty fast because it's Google, but let's check it. Hop. Whoa, it was 5 seconds to generate the answer. It was the fastest answer. Microsoft Copilot. Let's go. You see 2. Also pretty fast, even 4 seconds. So let's type 5. So as you see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 models faster than 10 seconds on this response, and 1, 2, 3, 4 model more than 10 seconds. So we will give for these models, we'll give +1. Let's do it in that way. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. This one will have 0. And our last test about user stories quality, let's check it out. And let's check, can we use these user stories for the development. As I told you before, you need to double check all AI results before you give this information to your developers, if you're a project manager, or to your stakeholders, or to anyone else, if you want to have to show you that you're a good manager and do your job correctly. So let's check this one. User story title enable, title is okay, user story incorrect format, acceptance criteria, navigate settings page, loads, he can change the themes between light and dark, select, when user select dark, it should be dark, and then user select theme, returns to application after, like, ability to save the previously selected theme, and the last one is to use for account. So as you see, because I didn't give detailed requirements for this feature, the model started to think and gives its own ideas how to implement it. For example, to add compatibility across devices, persistent selection, and some applied dark mode on selection. And you don't need do like that in my example. You need to add much more details for your request if you want a high quality results. So if you give low number of contexts to the model, you will receive these low quality results. So be careful when you do your prompts to AI chats, and make good prompts. Add much more detail as you can if you want to receive a good results. But I would put to this user story and acceptance criteria a 1, okay, because after some edits answering on this question, we probably can use it. Then in Claude, let's check. It's checked to user is logged and can see settings in ability to change theme in settings. Then ability to change the theme, it also was in previous one. Theme persistence enabled dark mode, log back, we have the same. Light mode reversion, given dark mode is currently enabled. When I took the setting back to the light mode, then application, you see, Claude do it better. He add also details about what needs to be changed when you switch between the dark and white themes. Claude add also default style, add some technical consideration, story point estimates, it figured out some own story points, add priority and dependencies, and also it add question. So it's pretty cool. If I'm going to work, uh, I think I use it. So let's add some point to Claude. Grok. Okay, huge story. Let's make do it analysis is faster. This, as you see, to generate user story based on your request, it's the simplest task for all of these AIs. It do it quickly and pretty correct. But you can change your mindset and generate user stories by yourself, because it's not a difficult, and you can learn even on this video how to generate user stories. Okay, so logged user, settings page, switching to the light mode, when you log out, load back, and switching between light and dark models. Results, we have less these acceptance criteria topics, but it's also pretty acceptable. Additional nodes, but you see Grok don't give us some questions. Let's give it one. It's also pretty usable. Let's go to the Chinese models and user story. Okay, acceptance criteria, settings, select dark toggle option, switch to dark, enable it dark, return after refreshing, we had it, and toggle back to light mode. I like this response because it didn't hallucinate a lot. It just gave 3 basic acceptance criteria, and then he had some consideration and question for that. I also like it. So if you have your own opinion, own feedback, just leave a comments in this video when you use one of these models for user story, feature, task preparation, and it gives you good or bad results. Share it with me and let's share your knowledge. And Qwen, whoa, big user story, acceptance criteria, toggle the dark mode, section, no, currently a dark mode, navigate different section, consistency of the dark mode, it's something new, we didn't have it before. Then select theme, log back to application, we had this requirement before, and device support. Oh, you see the Qwen did also some new requirements for our application, and there is some notes and also questions. When I did the same request for different models, I can right now get about 10 unique acceptance criteria. I can review it and I can use it and then transfer it for developers. So you cannot put everything into your head, but you can put a lot into computers and into their memory, and you can just take it and use it in your job for your tasks. And Kimi, oh, we forgot to add a point to Qwen for this task. Kimi.com, registered user toggle, okay, acceptance criteria, settings, appearance, user switch on. It already it gives us some API pass, but I don't understand it. Oh, it recommends how to save it, and this is like expected result from Kimi.com because this model is specifically built and trained for code development, so it gives you a code answer. So if you have some code oriented task, you need to build some code, you need to build some query, try use Kimi K2 model. It will good. And because of this code, I will not give Kimi a point in this specific task. For Google Gemini, settings page, appearance section, switch to dark mode, also settings page, deactivate, theme preference, light or dark. Also pretty cool and a lot of questions. So let's mark 1 to Gemini and let's check results of Microsoft Copilot. We have user story, have scenario 1, 2, 3. Oh, I like that it names it scenario instead of just marking them. And also there are clarifying questions. So pretty cool. And let's give also 1 point for Copilot. Right now, our task is, sorry, I added in the wrong place. Let me switch it. And we need to calculate the winner here. So everything is almost live. So let's test. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Only 2 points for Kimi.com, but it's cool. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then DeepSeek. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, only 2 for Grok, correct? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for GPT. So we have 3 winners, and the winners is GPT, Grok, and Gemini. Then we have Copilot and Qwen, and the last one are Claude and Kimi.com. So winners, so we need to replace for winners is GPT, Grok, Gemini. In my personal opinion, the best free version of all of that models is Grok. I didn't use Gemini. I know for sure that paid version of ChatGPT is better than free. So my personal leader is Grok. If you watch this video till the end, you have your own feedback about these AI models, just leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, add some comments. It helps me to make better videos. I need your feedback, and have a good day. Bye bye. If you want to be a good project manager, you must let people do what they do best while you do what you do best. And in 2025, I think that every manager must have skills in AI, automation, and different project management tools to reduce his manual time with computer and gives him a lot of time to work with people, to understand what people like, to talk with them, to know their needs, to know how motivate your team, how to reach common goals with your team, and how to use your emotions, your humanity in management in your work. You must know the tools, but you must use your emotional intelligence and communication skills to talk with people and to work with people. Don't forget about it in 2025, in era of AI, artificial intelligence, and automation. Be a person, love people, and manage your people respectfully. Okay, that was my personal advice for project managers. Bye bye. Have a good day.